This is not about fighting China. This is about protecting human rights. Unfortunately, my father cannot accept this award by himself. I wish human rights awards like this didn't even have to exist, which means human rights violations do not exist in the world. Do you see a problem with the way the Chinese government is treating Uyghur people? If you see a problem, please work towards a solution from your place of influence. There are so many people who have moderate voice, just like my father. Those Uyghur people locked up in prison or camps just for being who they are, Uyghurs.